inspire us in education and digital things, engineering, and it helps in multiplying and manufacturing things. Thank you. The subjects integrated here are science, technology, maths, arts, and engineering. A lighting system. Uh, uh, it can, when the door opens, the light turns on, and when the door closes, the light turns off. Uh, SDV7 is integrated here. It's integrated for science and art. Science for physics, math for design. Maths for physics, maths for measurement, science for physics, and art for design. SDG7 is integrated here. For a technical issue, the light is not working. Yes, for a technical issue, the light is not working. It will be repaired tomorrow. For example, sometimes we tend to forget to switch off the lights when we leave the rooms, but in this case, it's not possible. Like the door closes automatically when we leave the room, and so the light will turn off.
Okay, this is our project. This is a multi-barrel missile launcher. As you can see, it is a platform where you can launch multiple missiles at the same time.
Can launch much deadlier missiles. It can launch much more faster and many missiles at the same time. For example, in 1 minute, they can launch about 20 missiles, and it is mostly mounted on a truck or a mobile vehicle so that it can move around. You can see these wheels here. These wheels are just temporary. These wheels are others is also used, but there are also tracks which are used in this multi-barrel missile launcher so that it can go over high terrains. You can see this is used with integrated with art. Why? Because of its design. Its design and its paint, so that it can camouflage itself all over and nobody can see it and locate it. It is also uses physics for calculating trajectory of the missiles so that it can fall in the correct specific location. It also uses GPS trackers. You can see here there are many components, but also it can store large amounts of fuel, food for the army who is sitting inside. For the army who is sitting inside, if it is lost, even if it is lost, it can stay up to 2 to 3 weeks because of its huge storage. And also in the driver's cabinet, there are flares which the drivers can use to launch and see and call the other army to rescue it. This is a 3D hologram which makes images hologram projector, which helps us to project real life 3D images. It may look like it is a 3D, but actually it is the LED light displayed by the fans. It's a very fast rotatory fan which uses laser light technology to show these images which we are right now seeing. It is very helpful, and in industrial purposes for advertisement, and it is also used in the Burj Khalifa, and it was used for 3D printing. And this also has many chips which do all the programming and coding. So we can also say that this is powered by chips, not solely by LED lighting. And for chip technology. Yes. Hello everyone, you are today here at the Musevention program, which is hosted by the Don Bosco School Park Circus in partnership with International STEAM Research USA. ISR is the knowledge partners for Don Bosco School for the last 3 years, and today here the theme of the event is Innovation Without Fear, where the students of classes 3 to 7, more than 500 students, have worked on more than 50 projects on different topics, solving different real life problems, and they've done a wonderful job over here. We've had a footfall of more than 1,000, 2,000 parents, and they have loved what their children have prepared, and they are having a great time.